Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with Anamika.
Hi guys.
Crazy right now though, you can see.
Hello.
And if you guys are new or looking for a makeup artist, please hit her up.
Hit me up for vital and non-vital, guys.
Yeah, so I wanted to show you behind the scenes.
We're doing some cream contouring right now.
I know, I'm getting a little chiseled. She's so good. She's making me look so pretty. You guys, I'm so obsessed with my makeup. Anamika, for real, is about to do my bridal makeup.
Yes, girl, you glowing.
It is so good. I'm literally gonna buy everything she used. Look look at her little setup. It's so cute.
Oh yeah, that looks so good. Oh my god.
Like literally, it's so cute. I love it. You guys, I never want to take off my face. Anamika.
Yes, girl.
I literally want to, oh my god. I literally want to sleep like this. Like, it's so flawless.
Girl, the highlight, hold up, look to the side, the other side.
No,
oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Light over here.
I'm so excited. I know, I'm being so annoying.
No, this is so cute, dude.
But I love it. I love it so
that
much.
you love it. That's like, that means everything to me. That's so
Oh my
cute.
gosh, look at my kombucha. It's so cute. She has like her own studio. But how cute! I never want to take off my face. I'm so annoying right now.
Like this.
I know, you guys. I want to wake up like this. Like, how cute! Hey guys.
Oh, it looks so good.
We just finished. This is the final look. So we put on the tikka. We have on the earrings and the jewelry. So we're just chilling.
She's looking like a bride. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Bring in the groom. It's the big day, girl.
Hell no. But oh my gosh, if I look like this, what am I gonna look like as an actual bride?
Yeah, oh my god.
I don't even know. Well, we shall see. But I'm so obsessed. I'm being so annoying about it because I just love my makeup. It's so good.
A really good makeup on.
You guys, we're going to the shoot and Anamika did such a good job. I'll never stop talking about her because she just did a bomb-ass job.
It's a wrap.
I mean, we just finished the photo shoot.
The photo shoot. We messed up right there.
We messed up right there. We should start again.
No.
Hey,
Hey
everyone.
guys.
We're
We just
back.
finished the photo shoot.
It was so good. It was so tiring, but it was so good. But we're just back here. Coming to your store. Hi, Navjeet. So, yeah. So
She did amazing. So we did this whole outfit. It was like pink and bronze and it like went perfectly with her. You did so good, girl. Like amazing.
Oh my gosh, I love you. You guys, they like literally. I know, I'm
We're like
so
the hype
excited.
women over here.
I know, you guys are like hyping me up. Ah! Hey guys, so I literally just got back and I went straight in my room and I'm laying down because I'm so tired. But I had so much fun today. Like, oh my gosh, I had so much fun. It was such a fun process. So yeah, what I'm probably gonna do, I'm probably gonna go eat something. I'm probably gonna take off this makeup. I really don't want to. I literally want to sleep like this and wake up like this every day, but I'm just here chilling with Ivory. He missed me, clearly. He's like glued to me right now. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna be in bed and then just edit this vlog for you guys so I could get it up on time. I'm trying this new thing where I just post weekly, so yeah, hopefully I like keep up with that. But anyways, I want to say thank you guys so much for coming along with me and watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little behind the scene photo shoot thing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.